Did you wear those?
Yeah.
I don't think anybody noticed.
Yeah, so many people wear pajamas at school, although it's not pajama day at school.
Because you know why?
No.
Because it's cold. They like to stay warm.
No, it's like thin pajama, like this one in different. It is not warm.
Okay, this is vegetarian. It's got potatoes, zucchini squash, carrots, tomatoes, barley, mushrooms, onions, cabbage. What else?
Barley looks like oats.
Yeah, a little bit of corn. And these meatballs are vegetarian meatballs. Vegan. Larry's vegan. Harshita's vegan. Vegetarian. She'll eat anything. Mukbang a raw lobster.
No, she doesn't eat everything. Vegetables.
And Paul, he'll eat anything. And Harshita made some delicious apple muffins and blueberry muffins. And I can't eat them because they're not gluten-free. But my soup is gluten-free because I made noodles, chicken. Look at her eat that.
You missed her eating a carrot.
You ate a carrot? Good job.
She said I at least I should eat one, so I eat one. But I
wasn't
don't
bad.
want to eat.
Wasn't bad. No, you can get used to it.
I told her next time I'll tell you to smash the carrot.
Oh, I'm going to smash them in there.
So she doesn't realize there's carrots in there.
So anyway.
She won't trust us anymore.
And the dogs, and then I use these long finger potatoes.
Can I do this to Otis?
Yeah, a little bit. And look at this soup. Vegetarian soup. It's got... Oh, he was? Oh, my. Oh, okay. And these are meatless meatballs. And then I used Better Than Bouillon. And zucchini squash. No,
The cat food was supposed to.
Did the cat food come, Chewy? Oh, that is so good. And this is okay. Cameron liked it. It's chicken with rice noodles. I told her I was making rice noodles, and she went, yee! She's all excited. And our dishwasher is fine. We got all the soap out. So, hi, Maxie.
Just a pet.
Maxie Pad. Maxie Pad. Come here, Maxie. Isn't he sweet?
Oh, it's really about Misty. Do we know when Misty?
Yeah, he's right there. I just saw him just a minute ago. Don't worry about Misty, please, Paul. Mary.
Look and watch.
But it's upsetting to have you always looking for Misty. Oh, look at the fire. All right. Okay, that was a nice dinner. That was a nice dinner. Do you want some more, Paul?
Nope.
Can I give the dogs their food?
Yeah. You want to feed the dogs?
I will mix it with the soup I have left.
Okay. You want some more soup, Larry? Okay. Look at that. Looks pretty good, huh? Look at that. Barley. Does the flavor all right? Because I used that bouillon, that vegetarian bouillon. Look at that. She's eating all her vegetables. What a good girl. Does that taste good? You like that? And Odie. Odie, you want flavor? Odie, you want flavor? Flavor? No, Daddy will get mad at you.
What is he trying to do?
Reach up to the table. Anyway, namaste, everybody. Namaste. Then we're going to clean up the kitchen. I got to stay off my feet. Oh, my gosh. My legs are so swollen. Oh my goodness. Wonder why my feet keep getting
Can I give
swollen.
this to Owen?
We'll put it on his plate. We'll put it over his food. Yeah, okay. Happy day.